Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from T-Sportline, coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I'm excited to share with you this brand new Tesla Model 3 Highland. And the customer stopped by for us to install a brand new set of T-Sportline wheels. Let's get right into some of the details on what this customer chose. Okay, check this out. This is an 18-inch TSS in satin black, one of T-Sportline's best sellers. We introduced it years ago and still today one of the most popular. We have it for Tesla Model 3, Y, S, X. It's awesome. Check this thing out. So it's got a great DNA, looks like it's meant to be for a Tesla. That's one of the most popular reasons is, hey, this thing looks great on my car. But then some of the details from T-Sportline. First of all, it's an 18-inch wheel. We have it in 18, 19, and 20, depends on what you want. The 18-inch on this Model 3 is gonna give you a softer ride, and it's gonna give you the max height on the tire sidewall, which is best for a soft ride, for protection against damage with potholes, and protection against hitting curbs. So if any of that stuff matters to you, 18-inch is usually the way to go. Now, as you go up to 19 or even 20, it gets a little sportier. It looks a little sportier. The ride's gonna be firmer, a little more sure-footed. But with each step in size on the wheel, you're gonna concede a little more prone to, hey, I can hit a curb with this, or if I hit a really nasty pothole, you could blow out a tire. So think about it like that. But 18-inch remains one of the most popular. It's also the lightest weight one. If you're really into saving any kind of weight and maximizing range, 18-inch is gonna be a little lighter. It's also probably a little cheaper because the tires, generally when they're smaller, are a little bit less expensive. From T-Sportline, we can offer you just the wheels. If you want to buy 4 wheels, have them installed with your own tires at home, that's no problem. Or we offer a complete wheel and tire package. So you're going to get this from us with any tire you want. We carry all the tires on our website, and you're going to get this to your house as a complete package. This is an assembled wheel and tire package. It's going to be the wheel, the center cap, the factory Tesla TPMS sensor, the tire, mounted, road load balanced, ready to bolt on your car. Easy DIY. Check our other videos if you want to see. You could definitely do this at home, or we ship it to a local shop and they bolt it on for you. So besides the wheel and tire package, it's really a one-stop shop at T-Sportline. This customer opted for Tesla center caps. The wheels come with a T-Sportline center cap, but if you really want the Tesla logo, we buy Tesla center caps in bulk from Tesla and sell you a real authentic Tesla center cap, and it fits right in our wheel. It's up to you which one you want. Lug nuts, you can keep your stock lug nuts or you can use our lug nuts. The wheels are designed so that factory Tesla lug nuts fit, no problem, no clearance issues. You don't have to buy aftermarket lug nuts. But this customer bought our fully enclosed alloy steel lug nuts. The factory lug nuts are kind of an open cap, so you really need to get our black plastic caps to go on the lug nuts, or you can upgrade like this customer did to a fully encapsulated, full steel, alloy steel, black lug nut. And you might be wondering, do you need anything else to install these wheels? No, because when we make a wheel at T-Sportline, it's made specifically for the Tesla. There's a lot of wheels out there that you can get that might fit the Tesla, but generally they're going to require you to get a hub ring spacer, some special lug nuts, or it's not going to have the right fitment, the offset will be off. Rest assured at T-Sportline, you don't have to worry about any of that. Our wheels are made exclusively for Tesla, and it's a bolt-on perfect fitment every time. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned something about the T-Sportline wheels, and I'd love to see you guys put TSS wheels on your Tesla. Give me a thumbs up for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more videos coming your way.